A WordPress menu or navigation menu is just one way that your site visitor can get around and locate various bits of content on your site. This video is going to show you a couple of different ways to add and edit your WordPress menus. Now to do this, we need to log into the dashboard area of our site, and I've already done that here, but if you've never done that before, it's real simple. Just up here in the address bar of your browser, type in the URL to your WordPress installation, followed by a /wp-admin, then hit enter on your keyboard, and a box is going to pop up asking for your username and your password. Go ahead and enter that, click on login, and you'll be brought to this page here. Then, over on the left, hover over the word appearance, and then in this flyout, come on down here and click on menus. And by default, you're not going to have any menus created. First thing we want to do is create our first menu, and you do that by just giving it a name. And you can call it whatever you want, then click on create menu. Now that kind of builds the structure. Now you want to add the menu items, and you can do that, like it says here, from the column on the left. Now by default, you have pages, custom links, and categories. If you want to also add other items like post, for example, come on up here to screen options and hit that drop down and check the box for post. Let's go ahead and close this up, and you can see your posts have been added. Now then, just go ahead and add the items that you want. Let's go ahead and check this box and that box, because I want to show you how to do a child page of the parent page. And you also have the option, by the way, to view all, or if you got a whole bunch of items in here, you can do a search. And let's go ahead and add this one here as well. Be sure to click on add to menu, or nothing's going to happen. There you go. Now, if you want to make this page a child of this page, like it is over here, then just hover over the title bar here, and when you get the 4 arrows, left click, hold, and just move it to the right a little bit. And you can see how it changed to sub item. We can do that multiple times. You can also move these around as far as reordering them. So this way, the one up top is going to be the one that's displayed furthest to the center. The one at the bottom is going to be displayed furthest to the right. And then down below here, you can decide the location of this. And if you noticed, as soon as we created that menu, we had this tab created for manage locations. That's kind of the same thing as what's happening down here. Now let's go ahead and add some posts as well. Let's just throw these guys in there. Click on add to menu. And you can see how these are named posts. Well, you can do the same thing as you did up here. Rearrange, make this one a child of that one, and so on. Even custom links. And this is the name that will appear on the tab. And then click on add to menu. And there it is. Now, if we open these up, you can see that we've got some elements in here that we can customize further. But this title attribute here, let me show you where that's at. Come on up here to screen options, and that's the second row right here. So if you wanted to have that particular link when it's clicked to open in a different tab or window, check that box there. If you want to fancy it up with some CSS, check that box there. And you can see these additional items that were added right here. Just check that box, and when this is clicked on, it's going to open up in a new window. Click on Save Menu. Whoop, that's not going to do anything until we decide on where that's going to be. Let me show you how you can do that also right here under Manage Locations. This particular theme, and this is theme specific, but this particular theme only supports 2 menus. In other words, there's 2 locations on this theme that will allow a menu. You can create as many menus as you want, but only 2 of them are going to be displayed at one time. One's along the top and one's along the left sidebar. So for the top menu, we only have the one. Click on main. Now if you want that on the left sidebar, we can do that as well. But I'm going to leave that blank for now. Click on Save Changes. Come on back here and refresh. And there we are. Now you are able to customize the titles of these. If we recall, come on back here to Edit Menus. If we wanted to change this to something shorter, right here, Navigation Label. Then just Save Menu. Come on back here and refresh. See how that changed? That easy. Now, this is just one way in which you can create, edit, and manage menus. Another way is in the customizer, and you can get there by clicking this link over here under Appearance, or right up here next to Menus, click on Manage and Customizer. That brings us to the customizer and directly to the menu section. And you have all the same items here as you do on the main menus page. They're just arranged a little bit differently. For example, up here on the gear icon, this is where you can adjust the advanced menu properties. Go and close that up. And to add menus, let's go ahead and create one for the sidebar. Click on Add a Menu, give it a name, then click on Create Menu. Now we want to add the items to that menu. Just click on Add Item. Get this flyout here. Let's say a custom link. Don't forget to click on Add to Menu, otherwise it's not going to go over there. Now with these, all you have to do is click on it and it's automatically going to add it. But to make these children posts or pages of one another, you have to click on reorder. Now you get these arrows that pop up here. So this one here is now a child of the one above it. And you see it cannot be reordered up or down because it's a child page of this one. But if we reorder this one up, it's going to take the child with it. Pretty nifty. And before we close this out, we want to make sure that we define the location of this new menu. That's going to be our sidebar. And you can't see it over here. Let's move this out some so you can see this. And that's our menu that was just added. If we untick this, you see this is a live display. I'll make that back in there. And then if you like the way things look, come on up here and click on Save and Publish. And then get on out of here. Come on back here and refresh. This is the live page now. And there we are. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on adding and editing your WordPress menus. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.